What are conventional loans and what are FHA loans, and why is it so important to know when buying a home? In this video, we'll discuss that and the pros and cons between conventional loans, FHA loans. Before the end of this video, you'll become a master in understanding what the key differences are between the two. Stay tuned. Before we get started, guys, I would greatly appreciate it if you hit that subscribe button. Leave me a comment below stating that you subscribed. I'll be sure to answer. And don't forget to hit that like button. Hey guys, how's it going? Thanks for taking the time to watch this video. Today I want to discuss what the differences are between an FHA loan and conventional loan. I work with a lot of clients who really don't understand the difference, especially when they're first-time home buyers. So I feel like it's very important to really grasp that and understand why FHA or why conventional when buying a home. Just a quick remark, guys. I do want to let you know that I am a realtor. I am a licensed realtor. I am not a licensed mortgage loan officer. However, I do work with a lot of loan officers on a daily basis. So I understand the requirements, etc. However, that being said, I highly recommend you speak to a mortgage loan officer about these loan programs and which one is the best fit for you. A lot of the information that I might give to you might not be what it currently is in today's market. It's just a general guide on what an FHA loan and a conventional loan is. An FHA loan is a government-backed mortgage insured by the Federal Housing Administration. An FHA loan is targeted for anyone who might not have the best credit or might not have a huge down payment to put down when buying a home. They're more user-friendly and allow a bigger group of people to be able to get funding to buy their first house. FHA loans come in 15 or 30-year loan terms with fixed interest rate. Usually, an FHA loan needs 3.5% down and a minimum of 580 credit score. However, if you are putting down 10%, FHA sometimes allows, depending on the lender, 500 to 580 credit scores. You also need to have 2 years of verifiable employment and have verifiable income through pay stubs, through tax returns, etc. FHA is great for first-time home buyers who might not have the best credit, might not have a huge amount of down payment, and it could be perfect for you. There are some negatives with FHA loans. For example, you're gonna have to pay mortgage insurance if you don't put more than 20% down on the loan. An FHA loan will get you in the door for anybody who is struggling to qualify for conventional. It's a great option and I highly recommend it. There's nothing wrong with it. It can be difficult in some markets to get an FHA loan accepted when putting an offer in due to the competition with conventional loans or cash offers. However, it's still possible and you can still buy a home with an FHA loan and get a great interest rate on it with as little as 3.5% down when buying a home. A conventional loan is a home loan that is offered by anybody who is not a government entity. Conventional loans are not backed by the government. Conventional loans are available through private lenders, banks. You also can use a credit union or regular mortgage companies. Due to the fact that conventional loans aren't backed by the government, there are a lot more stricter rules when compared to FHA loans. Obviously, it's better for you if you have a higher credit score, you have better interest rates, but generally, you need to have at least a 620 to qualify for a conventional loan. Conventional loans require a minimum of 3% down. Anything less than 20% down, you are required to pay PMI, which stands for private mortgage insurance. Depending on your situation, whether your debt to income ratio, to how much your down payment is, to your credit score, it all varies. These are general rules for conventional loans. Those are the main key differences between FHA loans and conventional loans. FHA loans, once again, are backed by the government. Conventional loans are not. FHA loan has less stricter rules when it comes to your credit score, how much of a down payment you put down, your debt to income ratio compared to conventional loans, because conventional loans are presented by private lenders, more riskier on their end. There are some key differences when going into buying a home versus conventional and FHA loans. Personally, through my experience, it is more favorable to put an offer in with a conventional loan. It gives the homeowner a feeling of security due to the fact that you are more qualified for the loan, a higher credit score, most likely a higher down payment, more money in the bank. Essentially, it doesn't necessarily mean that's correct, but that's the illusion it gives. So those are the key differences between FHA and conventional loans. I highly recommend you do go for a conventional loan if you qualify. If you don't, an FHA loan is still perfectly fine, and it's really a great program for anybody who might not have the best credit score, not have a lot of income, but it gets the job done. Now, what is it like going out there buying a home with a conventional and an FHA loan? Being out there in the real estate industry, I see a lot of offers coming in. I put in a lot of offers for my clients. And to be honest, working with conventional loans definitely is a lot easier when it comes to getting your offer accepted, especially in a market of what it is today, where it's a seller's market and they have options when getting offers. If it was in a buyer's market, FHA loans are definitely, a lot easier to get accepted. That being said, don't feel like you can't get a home with an FHA loan. It's still very possible working with the correct agent who is consistent, who works fast, and if you put in a good offer, you can get accepted with an FHA loan. That wraps up the video, guys. I hope I helped you out when deciding on whether to go with an FHA loan or a conventional loan. And I hope you got a better understanding of what an FHA loan versus a conventional loan is. If you guys would like to see a video of the difference between putting offers with conventional and FHA loans and how to get your offer accepted, please leave a comment below. Guys, if this video was helpful, please do me a favor and hit that subscribe button. Leave me a comment letting me know that you subscribed. I will make sure I reply. And once again, I really appreciate the time. And if you guys have any questions, leave them in the comments. I'll be sure to answer them as best as possible. Also, guys, don't forget to follow my social medias. I'll put them up on the screen over here. I would really appreciate it. And I will follow you back. Thanks again, guys, and good luck with your home search.